In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your company logo to Salesforce. This process is not just about adding a visual representation of your brand, but also about creating a cohesive identity within your Salesforce environment. So, let's dive into it and get your company logo up where it belongs. First things first, go ahead and log into your Salesforce account using your credentials. Doing this ensures that you have the necessary permissions to upload and manage your company's branding resources. Once you're logged in, make your way to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the gear icon. Give it a click and select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. This section is your gateway to various customization options available in Salesforce. Now direct your attention to the Quick Find box. Here, you'll want to type Themes and Branding. This will help you quickly locate the relevant section without having to scroll through multiple menus. After you see the Themes and Branding option appear in the list, click on it to open up more customization features. This is your main hub for managing the visual elements of your Salesforce environment. To proceed with adding your logo, you have a couple of choices. You can either create an entirely new theme by clicking on New Theme, or you can choose to modify an existing theme. To do that, simply click the drop down next to the current design you wish to edit and select Edit. This flexibility allows you to either start from scratch or build upon existing setups. Once you've decided on your approach, look for the brand image section and click on it. This is where you'll upload your company logo. Make sure to select the correct file from your computer. It's best to use a PNG, JPG or GIF file format for compatibility and quality. Now, as you're uploading your logo, consider this optional feature, setting a loading page logo and default avatar image. These additional customizations can further enhance the branding consistency within your Salesforce interface. After you have everything set up to your liking, it's time to lock in those changes by clicking Save. This action will store your customized theme, including your newly uploaded logo. Finally, to make sure your theme is active and your logo visible to users, navigate back to the Themes and Branding list. Here, you'll want to click Activate next to the theme you've just created or recently edited. This step ensures that your changes are applied across the board. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. For optimal display, aim to use a logo size of around 300 by 55 pixels. This size provides the best clarity and integration within the Salesforce theme. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded and activated your company logo in Salesforce, giving your workspace a touch of your unique brand identity.